know what y'all are thinking, and I'm just gonna address it now. There is something different about me, obviously. I got new rings. Obviously, that's what it is. That's the difference. Yes. Not at all that I cut my hair. Hey beauty babes, what is up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I did a really nice, simple, natural look. Something you could just wear out and about, you know, to school maybe even. Completely natural. Just kidding. Today I did this really cool cloud nighttime look, and I paired it with this really cute black glossy lip, which I love because we all know I got black lipstick and I'm obsessing over it just a little bit. I think this look is really cute. I wanted to do this look for the beginning of spooky season because I feel like, I don't know, I really wanted to do a nighttime look with the moon, and I feel like what better time to do it than in October, you know? So yeah, but yeah, so if you guys like to achieve this look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm doing is, what a shock, pulling out my Hoola bronzer, and I'm very energetic today, so enjoy. I'm just gonna be obviously doing my bronzer. Let's have a chat, folks, while we're doing this. How many of you love spooky season? Comment down below. And how many of you all like celebrate spooky season on like October 31st and just October 31st? Or if you guys like celebrate it the whole entire October, or if some of y'all are like super cute and extra and celebrate it in September, because I love spooky season, even if it is September. I really don't care. I don't know what I love so much about Halloween and like just October in general. I think it's mainly because obviously like as a makeup artist or attempting to be one, I love doing really cool looks and scary looks too, and I feel like October is like the perfect time to test out all like the super scary ones and like get into like the whole like special effects stuff. Now it's time for nose contour, and y'all know what I have to do. It's really fun. Y'all should do it. Like if you do your nose contour, just make little sound effects too. It's really fun. Okay, just do it. Can you all just appreciate how damn cute my top is? Like, we love it. Okay, anyway. I am pulling out my 35C Everyday Chic Morphe Palette, cause like duh, we love a good Morphe palette. I obviously got this first when it came out, and I've been waiting for a look to use it, and this is the look that I have chosen, and I'm very excited. We're gonna be going into the color Fancy This, and we are gonna be putting this on our crease. I don't know what the hair flip was, but I'm digging it. It's okay, we like to see it. Now I'm just going into the color Cheers to You and just putting that on my brow bone. Okay, and now what we are doing is we are going into the color Fashionably Late, and we are going to be putting this on our eyelid and a little bit on our crease, but mainly on our eyelid. We are going to be blending it with the color Fancy This to get a nice little smoky eye. I love like the purple vibes. I think that's like my favorite. Okay guys, and now we're gonna be getting into the moon and all the fun stuff. So I'm just pulling out my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm just gonna be taking this nail brush. I've used this in videos before. It is just this really cute nail brush. It also has this point at the end. I personally think it's easier to work with, and the little point we'll be using for all the dots and stuff like the stars. So yeah, if you have one of those, it's really helpful. If not, you could just use like a toothpick or something and then like sketch out with a regular brush, but I personally like this a little better. I'm gonna be taking some obviously concealer, and I'm just going to be drawing the moon right here. I'm gonna be doing a circle, and then obviously we'll be going over it with some liquid liner. So yeah, mistakes are okay. We make them all the time. It's all good. Okay, and now what I'm doing is I'm just pulling out my NYX white eye base, and I'm using this to make the clouds. Obviously we're gonna be going over this with a liquid liner as well. I just really think that this will get the better shape that I'm looking for. Taking a brush like this, if you guys can see that. I'm gonna be dipping it into here, and this kind of just drawing the clouds wherever I please, you know, just going with the flow really, honestly. And just sketching them out however I like, and then I'm just going to be blending them out. Cute. What was that noise that I just made? I have no clue. Okay, so now that we have our cloud been blended out and we have also the moon drawn, I'm gonna be taking out my NYX Professionals liquid liner in the color white, and I'm just gonna be sketching the clouds and moon fully now with this liner. Okay, and now that we have all of those sketched out, they look really cute. We're gonna be doing the liner, which is obviously gonna be a cloud. So I kind of just steer clear of this area. And what I'm gonna do is I actually did a video where I did like a cloud makeup look. I'll have it linked down below if you guys want to watch that. It's actually a really good, in my personal opinion. I think I've gone through a lot of cloud videos, but I just love doing clouds. They're really fun. Anyways, we are just gonna be drawing a line for where we want the liner to go, and then we're just gonna be doing little bump half circles to make the cloud shape. So if you are confused, just watch me do it and hopefully you will understand, because I suck at explaining things. I just love the clouds and like the moon. It's just, I think it's also very adorable. So now what we are doing is I'm going to be going into the color Heels On, and I'm just going to be adding some detail to the moon, obviously, because the moon is not like this. It is not just plain old white. There are little like crevices in it and everything like that, and I'm just really going to show that off by getting it to a gray color and giving it more detail. So now what we're doing is we are going back into our NYX liner. I'm just gonna be drawing stars. First, I'm gonna be drawing little tiny dots. So I'm just gonna take out my little nail thing again and just kind of stick my little dot tool in there, and then just kind of dab wherever I want a star to be. The other end, the brush end, and drawing stars that are like kind of like a diamond shape to represent like actual stars. Okay, and now I'm pulling out my Too Faced Tutti Frutti liquefied eyeshadow in the color Guava Glitz, and I'm just going to be outlining the clouds with this just to kind of make it sparkle a little bit more, because we are going to be doing a dark lip, so I kind of want to make the eyes a little bit less dark. Can zoom back. That's zooming in. Oh my gosh, I feel like I do this every single time. Okay, and now it is time for eyeliner, and I'm just gonna be doing a regular eyeliner, obviously, because we already have the wing here. So I'm just pulling out my NYX Professional Steady Steady Point eyeliner in the color Hella Fine, and just doing regular eyeliner, no wing. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a cat eye, because I feel like that could be really cute, but I'm gonna do like a really small one. So we're gonna move the camera back. So now we are doing our under eyes, and I am just going to be taking out my NYX Professionals eye pencil in the color Black, and I'm going to be putting this on my waterline. And now I'm just going back into the color Fashionably Late and putting that on the outer corner of my under eye. And then I'm going back into the color Fancy This and putting this the rest of the way underneath my eye. Okay guys, and now I'm just going back into my Too Faced Tutti Frutti liquefied eyeshadow in the color Pop Glitz and putting this on top of the color Fancy This underneath my eye. Okay guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go finish the other eye off camera, and then we will come back and finish everything else. Okay guys, I finished the other eye, and oh my damn, it looks so freaking good. I literally love it so much. I think it's gorgeous. I love clouds, you know, they feel me, they get my vibe. I'm just pulling out my Maddie Morphe Lip and Cheek Mousse, and this is in the color Pinky Swear, and just putting a little bit on, and not too much obviously, because this is kind of like a darker look, so I don't want to obviously like have like dark and light clashing, just a little bit, just to kind of give myself something, but not anything too crazy. That is perfect. I think it's just the perfect amount of color, nothing too crazy, won't distract from the amazing eyes. Ooh. And now it is time for highlighter, so I'm just pulling out my Becca highlighter in the color Prismatic Amethyst, because it is purple and the eyes are kind of purple, so like I'm just doing a nice little shiny look. I love it for me. Oh my gosh, the shine of this is literally so cool. And now it is time for mascara, and I'm pulling out my Better Than Sex mascara, obviously, because I want some volume with these lashes. Okay, and this is the part I am the scaredest and most excited for. I am pulling out my Karity matte lipstick in the color Vinyl, and I'm just obviously gonna be putting this on my lips. I'm very excited and nervous to see how this looks with the look. I don't know what it is about me and black lipstick, but I feel so powerful. I love it. Okay, and now just add a little bit of some extra gloss. I'm pulling out my Morphe Gloss Pop Face and Eye Gloss. I'm just gonna be putting this on my lips. Okay, and finally I'm just gonna finish it off with the Anastasia Dewy Setting Spray. Refreshing. And we're done. Oh my gosh. Spooky season who, sis? Spooky season who? I am spooky season at this point. Okay, beauty babes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any video requests or review requests or sneak requests or anything like that. And I'll try my hardest to do them. And if you'd like to follow me on my social media, I'll link it in the end card. And it'll also be linked down below. You guys should definitely check it out. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, it's also in the end card and in the link down below, along with my last video, which you guys should definitely check out, because I do a lot of really fun videos like this, and I do a lot of really fun looks. So yeah, definitely think about subscribing to me and watching my last video. I think that is all I have to say, so bye bye, beauty babes, love you. Happy spooky season.
But I won't be done when morning comes. Doing it all night, all summer. Gonna spend it